Hey everybody, Bob McFly here, making a quick little training video for all my McFly Inc. members. Now, all of you know that Facebook likes are very important in the 21st century. Why? Because most people judge your page just by the number of likes. So I'm about to show you how you can get up to 2,000 likes in 2 weeks with a simple strategy. Now, as you can tell, I only have 10 likes so far. So I'm about to show you a strategy that will get you up to 2,000 likes in the next 2 weeks. The first thing you need is an attractive picture. A simple phrase such as I support Earth. You want a phrase that everybody will agree with and doesn't have to think much about it. And once you have that, find a cool little picture that will make people stop and, click like. And at the top, you simply put a simple call to action. In this case, it says click like to like this page if you agree. Once you have created your ad, it is time for you to go to the ad manager and you are going to target the world and exclude the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, and Canada. Why are we doing that? Well, because Facebook's ads are a little bit more expensive when you target these countries. And right now, we are just looking for cheap likes. As you can tell, I'm going to leave everything the way it is. In languages, I'm just going to put English. And according to that, by spending 25 pesos a day, which is about $1.50 a day, I should be getting around 600 to 3,000 post engagements. So that seems pretty good. Once Facebook adapts its algorithm and gets it starts finding me the right leads, I'll probably scale this ad up to around 50, 75, maybe even 100. It all depends on how much engagement I see. But really guys, the only way to find out what works and what doesn't work is by testing. Once you have that, all you need is to go select the ad you want. In this case, I select a post. Oh, I think I'm on the wrong Facebook. Yes, I am. But it's okay. Just change that. Select a post. Click this page. And this is what the ad is gonna look like, guys. All you need is to confirm, put your credit card, and you are good to go. Alright guys, I'm going to be running this ad for the next 2 weeks. I'm going to keep you updated and show you how easy it is to get thousands of likes with a low budget. This has been Bobby McFly. Take care.